Okay, last night it was my brother-in-law's 50th birthday. He's affectionately known as Johnny Bravo, and he was in the army for quite a while, and he drove one of these, and he got very excited when we showed him this last night, and we're going to build it for him. We're going to do a really quick build. I'm just going to do a show and tell on this. I'm not going to show the build, but I'm going to show you what's inside. Alright. Okay, now this comes with a body, and it's got the rubber tracks, the elastic ones. We'll talk more about that in a minute. You got 1, 2 screws, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is what we'll be doing. We'll be doing the tracks individually. We won't be using the rubber ones. So put that away for now. Instructions. Decals we won't be using at all because the Australian ones that are on this aren't on the tank that my brother-in-law was on, so we're going to have to find a whole heap of decals that say 22 Bravo, and that was his company. Yeah, there's detail on this. We'll be using that turret there. It's all pretty dark right now, but anyway, so I'm just going to put that away. Road. This is the version we're going to be building. This one here, that's the Australian one, and it comes with the interior, comes with a heap of army guys, and that's about it really. It's going to be a lot of a big interview with him this afternoon on how he wants this built. We were looking at a crew to go with it, an Australian crew, and the only ones we could find was a set of 11 that actually sat on top of the turret and around the APC, and that was $274. So it's up to him on that one. But anyway, I'm just going to get started on the engine, and we're going to go from there. Okay guys, welcome back. Alright, we just come back from dawn service. March is a moving morning actually. Yeah, good to see the old diggers out there. Not many of them left here in Ipswich. We've got one guy, his birthday a few days ago, and 102, one of our last veterans of the Second World War. So yeah, times again, and yeah, time's moving on. Alright, with the APC M113, I've started, and like I said, it's going to be like a show and tell. Alright, let's get on with it. This has been quite a bit of fun. Alright, just alright, this APC, have you got that in line? Yes, we have. Excellent. Now this model has a lot of detail, and a lot of it you can't see, but I'm going to put it in anyway. Like the engine, I mean that's going to sit. Oh, first show the gearbox and stuff. Oh, bright light. Alright, yes, I put the light back on the table, and guess what? You guys can see again. Look at that. Yes, I'm in a better mood today. I've done heaps on this and heaps on the Yamato, which will be another video hopefully I'll get out today. But anyway, and it's got gearbox, axles, engine sits nicely on there, and then you got the fans and gearbox which fit into there like so. Alright, I can't do any of that because I'm still waiting on my brother-in-law, and he's gone down the coast to meet up with a few friends of his, and they're going to have a powwow about this APC. They're going to try and get some photos for me of their APC, which was the 22 Bravo 1. So the more detail information I get, the more I can put in there for them. Fits rather well, and what I was quite shocked, well not shocked actually, I'm not surprised, but when this actually fits in like that, alright, this part here, so you can either make it so that it stays, or it just, I'm not sure if you can see that, yep, see in there, right down there, that little part that comes up, that actually clicks and holds the lid on. So I haven't spoken to my brother-in-law about it. We call him Johnny Bravo. He doesn't want to be called by his name, and I can understand he's still in the armed forces, and it's more like the Australian Water Force. So and he's been in all sorts of things and like to keep his name private. So, and then now this part here, which is the lid for the engine bay, it's got all these radiators, fans and stuff. If someone wants to put hoses and stuff on this, which is going to make it look interesting, but you can either have this like left open, alright, or you can close it, alright. So I don't know, it's a fun little build, eh? Anyway, I'm going to leave it to that one for this video. I'm waiting on a lot more information. We've got to order the paints. My son found a site on the Australian Defence Force blog where it actually brings up all of these, all our military vehicles, and surprisingly enough, it actually has the formulas for bringing up the camouflage colours. So, and they're not straightforward. You got to mix a 25% of one colour with 75% of another, and the black's got to be mixed with some olive drab. The olive drab's got to be mixed with green, and the brown's got to be mixed with some other colour. So everything's not easy. So anyway, and the other thing was, and it's still up in the air, the crew that goes with this that we found on internet. I still can't believe the price, $274 for a crew of 11. Mind you, it's resin. So he's and ahhing about it, and he's wants to have a look at it before he purchases it. So we might actually have a whole crew sitting on that as well, which means I'm going to have to learn how to do the Australian camo, and I think my son's going to do a lot of the faces and stuff on those too, because his eyes are way better than mine. This is pretty much a family affair, this present. So I'll keep you guys informed and see how we go. Have a good one, everybody.